I'm Melissa Rooney, and I'm running the gardening club at EK Powe Elementary School, which is our public elementary school that's right up the road here in Durham, North Carolina. And today I am pulling strawberry saplings that have taken over certain areas of my yard and preparing them so that we can transplant them at EK Powe on Wednesday of this week, just a few days away. So I'm making this video for the kids to see what I'm doing here at home in preparation for this coming Wednesday. So here are the strawberry plants that are in my yard. I've already pulled up a bunch in my front yard, which have just taken over. These things are so prolific, which means that they grow like weeds. They just reproduce very quickly and make new plants. So this is the mother strawberry plant. Strawberry plants grow a bit like spider plants, and so they'll have little shoots like this stem that's coming off here of the mother plant. Look, it's produced another strawberry plant. And if that strawberry plant has grown roots into the ground, then it's become a mother plant, and we can disconnect it from the mother plant and transplant it anywhere we want in healthy soil. It will grow and it will become a mother plant itself. So all you have to do to remove the sapling, here's a sapling right here that came off the mother plant. See that shoot? So all you have to do is grab it at the base and twist as you pull it out, and look, you'll pull out all the roots with it. See, ooh, look, that's a mother plant already. It's got a little baby. So once you do that, as long as you make sure you have roots, that plant should successfully transplant. So I take the pulled out sapling and I stick it in a bucket of water along with all the other saplings I pulled out from my front yard, and I fill that bucket with water, and I'm going to leave it in water for 1 to 2 days. Since we're not going till Wednesday, this one will be 3 to 4 days, but I have left saplings in water for a couple weeks when I've gotten lazy, and they just grow. Their roots will grow. You'll see that they start to look a little sad, and they will drown if you leave them there for too long, but we're not going to do that. So these are what I'm going to bring to EK Powe on Wednesday, and these are what we're going to put in the ground there for you students to enjoy strawberries growing far later in the year.